Holy sheesh! Thank God Sam had a VIOFO dash cam, and now, so do I. Let's install it. Welcome back to Redline Routine. Today, we're installing a VIOFO dash cam in my GTI. Now, I'm super excited about this because I've been putting off getting a dash cam for, well, probably like 6 years now. But with Sam's recent accidents and VIOFO being fortunate enough to send us one, I have a great excuse to put one in my car. So, let's get it unboxed here. They sent us a ton of awesome stuff. They sent us the A119M Pro, which I believe is one of their, if not their top of the line camera. Shoots in 4K. We'll get some footage with it later. From what I've seen online, it looks like it produces some really high quality footage. They've also sent us a hardwire kit and an SD card, so I don't have to buy one of those either. This is ready to go. And you can get this all as a kit as well. I'm sure we'll put a link somewhere. I'm not gonna lie, we already unboxed this, Carson and I. We took a look at it. And honestly, this is for the size, this is a great little unit. And I think it's gonna hide really well behind my windshield nonsense, safety nonsense. So I won't have to see it. So what comes with the camera, just in the box? Well, actually quite a lot. First, you get your camera, of course. You get various different temporary wiring options, including a little USB power adapter, which is nifty, so you don't have to get one of those separately. Mine comes with this little filter here, which is for UVs. Comes with extra tape in case you mess it up, some protectors, and this nifty little sticker. Oh, and my favorite part, a trim tool, because we're gonna have to mess around with some trim getting all this together, and this is gonna be very useful. All right, so step one is deciding where you're gonna place your dash cam. Now, I don't wanna see it, and honestly, you shouldn't either. You don't want this to be in your line of sight, and you don't want this to be affecting your visibility while you're driving, which is great. I've got this big, old, ugly box here. I think we're gonna put it somewhere in the neighborhood of here, and I should barely see that while we're driving on the road. All right, now I'm gonna be a little extra, and I'm gonna use a level. Off camera, Sam and I just figured out where the placement is with me sitting here. Definitely helps if you have a second person. And we're going to... That's okay. This is why they give you extra tape.
Yeah. You are gonna mess something up eventually, and that's part of learning.
Like, that's not at all level, but that's okay.
You'll still record the road, and that's what's important.
It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. What?
I'm just rolling at you, staring at it.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, Shawn is a perfectionist.
As you can tell from my incredibly filthy car.
Yeah. So, where are we headed, Shawn?
Going to the parts store, because we don't have all the parts we need, and my car's about to run out of gas. My tire light just came on, and it's fucking cold!
Oh, Canadian Tire.
You've reached the promised land,
The
baby.
promised land.
Oh my God. Sam, hear me out. You pull me behind the Subi in this. Don't worry, you can get Lego friends. You can steal that.
Yeah, they don't care about that. Or Fortnite. Dude, Fortnite.
Dude, I've lost
Minecraft.
I've lost a little bit of faith in humanity for the Minecraft Fortnite.
Okay, that's actually pretty cool though. I love these like little table pieces.
$54?
Yeah, no, they milk all of these because they know the people who buy this have money.
Yeah, like I love.
Oh, I have so many of these at home because my cats eat live plants.
Yeah. Yeah, like I bought this for my mom from Costco for $20.
Hell yeah, and now it's 40.
Now it's 40. Parts acquired. We're also, while we're here, we're gonna pick up some new tools for Sam. Keep him busy, you know?
What the fuck? Shawn got distracted.
This is incredibly tempting.
For 20 bucks though?
20 bucks in this economy? But I have a little death trap in my attic.
Oh, those are sick.
All right, goods acquired. Lovely winter wonderland. See you back at the shop.
Since Shawn doesn't know much about the fuse boxes, and I don't know shit about cars, but I know electricity I'm going to take over for this, and I've done this install before. Something that's pretty important if you're going to hardwire is getting some sort of voltmeter, something to trace your power. We're going to just get that turned on here. So one of the great things about this camera specifically is it has a parking feature and motion detection. So you can park your car. If you get hit at night when you're not in it, it turns on and can track everything. And the only way to get that to work is by finding the fuse. I just gotta get a little more light onto this. The fuse that has power when your car is turned off. This here. Touch that. Power, nothing.
Nada. Oh.
Did I just...
No.
Maybe
it's because the key's in the car.
Oh.
And we have the doors open.
Yeah, this is a new car. It has all those features.
Yeah, because that's the thing. It's gonna be.
All right, we just double checked a few things, made sure we were doing everything right. Because as confident as I can feel, I want to make sure I'm correct. So, with our voltmeter here, we're going to touch black to ground to metal here, and then this slot F11. Oh, I'm just missing it here. 1 second. Boom. We get power. And so now we know that that slot has power while the car is turned off, which is important because of the parking features we mentioned. Next step is we're going to turn the car on and just double check what has power when the car is on, which should be basically everything. We just want to double check which slot we're going to use. All right, so now the next part, in your hardwire kit, you're going to receive this. It's going to be labeled with a red, yellow, and black. So this is going to be your ground, black. Your red is your battery, which is what we were testing for when the car is off. And the yellow is your ACC, which is going to be when your car is turned on, pushing a little more voltage. So we got these bad boys at Canadian Tire, as you saw earlier in the video. When you use these, if you're going to be pulling a fuse, you'll want to replace it in this slot right here. I just have a temporary fuse in here. You'll always need just the temporary. But since we have no fuse that's going to be going into the fuse that we're using, we don't need to have this filled with anything. And because these are quick connects, this is going to be really simple. I actually need something to crimp them.
I got pliers.
Cool. But yeah, we're just going to pull this off and we're just going to get it in and then, oh yeah. And then we're just going to...
Whoa.
I've never been that successful with these quick connects, to be honest. People live by them, and I've never been successful with them. Hold on.
Yeah, it would be really nice if somebody's table wasn't full of shit, eh?
Yeah, workbenches are for storage, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah, we just get snug in there, and now we...
Using the very proper tool for the job.
Yeah. Yeah, I can never fucking get these. I don't get...
We'll be right back.
So now we're just going to plug these bad boys in. Actually, just because I think it might be a little easier, we're going to do this quickly first. We also need a ground. Depends on your car. This actually has a perfect spot right here for your ground, which we're just going to loosen this bolt a bit and tuck it in. On my car, I end up having to do it on right on the door over here. But today, we don't have to do that, which is nice.
It's also a miracle I had the right screwdriver.
Yeah, no, that's an awkward hex bit there.
Actually, that's a Torx bit.
My bad. I don't know. You know this shit. There we go. Snug. And then now we will plug in our red cable that we've now got. Oh yeah, we also got this figured out because I hate these.
Only took a lot
I personally solder everything because it's actually easier. So we're gonna plug this bad boy. Yeah. And it's in. It's blocking some other fuses, but that's not a big deal. And then this guy goes up. We just traced this one and double checked that it also wasn't pulling power while the battery was, or the car was turned off, because that will double pull your battery and kill everything a lot quicker. So we got that plugged in, and then that grounded there. And oh, that's actually really nifty. With this, my model doesn't have that. There's a little red light, so now we know it's working. All right, so we're going to We're gonna run through the trim here, and we're gonna figure out how to do it, because you need like really special tools to pull this trim, we learned, and we don't have those. So we think we can make it work and make it nearly the same, if not better.
All right, and that brings us to the end of the video. Dash cam is successfully installed, minus a little bit of questionable wiring. We've got it hardwired, which is going to be much better for long term. And most importantly, my car is now protected in the event of an accident. We're coming into the most dangerous part of the year where we live. As you guys saw earlier in the video, we're driving around in the snow, my car's all dirty, car accidents are up like crazy, and this is exactly the type of thing that I want to have going into this season. We're very grateful to VIOFO for supplying the dash cam. We'll put a link in the description where you guys can check them out. And that's pretty much it for this one. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.